I think you'd agree with me if I said turning $13 into $178,000 in under 2 weeks with TikTok Shop Affiliate is impossible. Except we'd both be wrong because it's been done. And what's even crazier is this person that achieved this made a profit of $35,620. Because this is TikTok Shop Affiliate, this means they didn't have to worry about buying any products or stock, shipping any products or stock to anyone, customer service, or running an e-commerce store as a whole. In this video, I'm going to show you the proof behind what I'm talking about. We're going to break down the 24-second video that they made, which is the driving force behind a lot of this success. And we're also going to look at what you can take away as a beginner so you can implement into your own TikTok Shop Affiliate strategy. Now, if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Victor. I help beginner TikTok Shop Affiliate creators make their first dollar online like I did. I do this by covering success case studies like this and breaking them down into easy to follow simple steps that you can go ahead and try out for yourself. If that sounds good to you, be sure to drop a big like, and if you watch all the way up until the end and if you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. So in terms of the proof, the product that this creator promoted here is this Goli Ashwagandha. We can see the price is $13.26, and we can see that for everyone that's sold, the creator will earn a commission of 20%. Creator that I'm talking about is this one here. As you can see, they created a 24-second video. The video was uploaded on the 4th of September, 10 days ago at the time of recording this video. They got 331,400 views on the video. If we click on the link here, it'll take you to TikTok, to exactly the video that we're talking about here. We're going to circle back to this in just a second. They generated in total so far for the 10 days $178,100. What they take home, what they earn as the creator, as the TikTok Shop Affiliate, is 20% of that $178,100. Works out at $35,620 in profit. Let's talk about the video that they did, which was crucial in generating the results that they have. We're going to start with the viral hook. I'm just going to play the video here. You're probably not going to be able to hear the video. Well, they don't talk in the video anyway, so all you need is just to see the other elements of the video. I'm going to play it here in just a second. So this is the start of the video. So there's some really key parts that I'd like you to pay attention to here, which we're going to talk about in just a second. So we can see they've got the product in their hand. They're actively using and consuming the product during this video. She's not saying anything. She's literally just looking at the camera. We've got some text on the screen. What is going on exactly in this video? So the first thing that we will have noticed is the video hook. So the hook that she's used here is that text at the top where she says, "What I hated when I had high cortisol." Now what she's done is look at the benefits of the product that she's promoted, and most likely, I don't have any personal experience with this product, but most likely one of the key benefits is something to do with reducing cortisol or positively impacting the person that has high cortisol. So she's taken a pain point, a huge pain point, and she's put it there as a call, not a call to action, as a video hook. So before you've even started watching the rest of the video, in the first 3 seconds, you've got the text hook that is on the screen. But secondly, what's also happening in this video during that first 3 seconds is straight away you can see that she's opening up this product in her hands. So you've got a couple of things happening already in the video. We know it's about high cortisol. We know it's about her story. We know it's about this product that she's opening up. We know that something's about to happen. And sure enough, she takes one of the gummies, she puts it into her mouth and consumes it. What's coming out and what's standing out for me is this is speaking to people that have a huge pain point, and a lot of what TikTok Shop Affiliate is. If you've been around TikTok Shop Affiliate even for a little bit of time, you'll notice that a lot of the products that sell the most, such as these products here that are ranked as the most sold products in the USA, are products that speak to people's pain points, people's problems. You've got these vitamin D gummies, you've got this upholstery deodorizer, smell, odor related issues. You've got this cakes covers product, which is a chest lifting product for women here. You've got this 15-day cleanse, which is a gut and colon support product that speaks for itself. All address a specific problem. And sure enough, this product that she's got addresses a specific problem, and that is what she starts with in the first 3 seconds. Now, if we continue watching the video and look more now within the body or the middle of the video, as it were, what we're noticing is, again, a couple of things that are happening is she's keeping you engaged by listing what she was experiencing when she had high cortisol. So she's talking about pits stinking, she's talking about no motivation, easily emotional, gaining weight, very reactive, quick to anger, always tired, panic attacks, skin breaking out, and a bunch of other pain points. And again, she's really hammering in the pain point that people are feeling that aren't taking this product. So she's essentially giving us a transformation story of what's gone well since she started taking this product. She's saying, I had 1, 2, 3, 4, all these different problems when I had high cortisol. But what's key here is she's saying when I had high cortisol. So she's given us the impression that she's gotten over that hurdle. This is something that she'd come across in the past. This is a problem that she had, and she has since addressed this problem. And we know that she's gonna give us the payoff there of the whole thing. But Ashwagandha changed that for me. So that's kind of her call to action in a way. She doesn't have a specific call to action. She doesn't say click on the link at the bottom of this video, or buy it on TikTok shop, or do this or do that. It's kind of an implied type of call to action. For those who don't know, call to action is when you actually ask someone in your video or whatever type of content it is to do what you want them to do as a result of watching that video or consuming or reading the article or whatever. So can you subscribe? Can you like this video? For example, me asking you to subscribe or like, that's a call to action. In this case, you would have wanted them to click on the shop icon that you've got in your video, but she's kind of implying it's kind of a soft call to action. So what's really working and what I'm noticing in this video is she's kind of being sensible to people that are in that state, people that are, they have no motivation, they're easily emotional, they gained weight, people that are struggling because of high cortisol. She's not being pushy. She's not telling people you need to click the link, get the product, it's going to run out in the next 24 hours. Yes, that does work a lot of the time with other products, but this is kind of a medical situation here. This is kind of a serious problem, and the whole tone of the video is controlled very carefully because it's a serious issue. Adults experience this issue, people struggle, families break, marriages break. These issues can genuinely cause a lot of serious problems in life. So she's being very sensitive to that. She's not being very salesy. She's just saying, this is what sorted out the problem for me. Results may vary if you tried it, and implied behind that is her saying you can get the product by buying it within TikTok from TikTok shop. But she doesn't have to say it. People know what to do. They can see the link in a video. They can see that she's linked the products in there. But more importantly, she's telling a story throughout the whole video. And if we continue, that's her just smiling and just saying, I had a problem. I've given you a solution. It's up to you whether you want to take the solution or not. So overall, I would say our main takeaway from this video is she's done a really good story with very, very little effort. She has not spent an hour or 2 hours editing this video. This literally would have taken her minutes to create. She's already got the product in her hand. It's literally just putting the phone somewhere, filming for about a couple of seconds, putting up some text on the screen, and then uploading the video onto TikTok. Now, what's also key, if you look at her description, she's put a pretty, not lengthy description, but she has extended what she's mentioning throughout the video in the video description as well. She's got some hashtags that she's put on here that also tie to the product that she is promoting, which is also, really, really key in telling the algorithm and TikTok what it is exactly that the video is about. Of course, TikTok is not, the algorithm and the AI will have a gist of what the video is about, but doing that little bit extra to make it easy for them to categorize the video and understand what it's about does help as well. And what's also key is that she's showing the product throughout the whole video as well. And that in itself I see as kind of an implied call to action. She's got a problem, she's telling a story of what she used to feel like. She's now saying my solution was taking this product, and she's got the product in the hand throughout the whole video. Now, this doesn't always work for every single video style. This may differ, which is why I always recommend using spy tools like Shop Plus, which I will have linked in the description, that I'm using right here, which shows you all of these different products and different creators that are absolutely crushing it, categorized, and all the detail and analysis that you'll ever need, including the videos themselves, so you can do your research. Now, all of that is very well, but another important thing before you even get to the stage of creating this video and potentially earning all this income is choosing the right product. How do you go about selecting a product that has a high chance of success and that is already performing well within TikTok Shop? In the video that's on the screen, we dive deep into exactly how to go about following the right steps in that process.